Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to make PowerPoint presentation with pictures in laptop. First, open PowerPoint on your laptop. If you do not have the PowerPoint application installed, you can also use the cloud version by going to the PowerPoint website on any browser. Once the program is open, you will see different templates and options on the home screen. Click on Create Blank Presentation to start a new presentation from scratch. This will open a new slide where you can begin adding your content. When your blank presentation opens, you will see a simple slide layout. At the top of the screen, there is a menu bar with several tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, and more. To add pictures to your presentation, click on the tab that says Insert. This tab gives you access to all the tools you need to add media such as pictures, shapes, charts, and videos. Now look for the option labeled Pictures. Next to it, there is a small arrow icon that expands more options. Click on that arrow to open a small drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see several choices such as this device, stock images, and online pictures. To add images that are saved on your computer, click on the option that says this device. Once you click it, a window will open showing your laptop's folders. From here, you can browse through your computer and select the picture you want to use. When you find the right picture, click on it and then click on Insert. Your image will appear on the slide. You can move it around by dragging it or resize it by clicking and dragging the corners of the image. If you want to add more pictures, you can repeat the same steps for each one. Thanks for watching.